When it's single digits outside, your furnace will act like it won't keep up. But that doesn't mean there's something wrong with it. Most times it's because the whole system is being pushed to its limits. Extreme cold makes your home lose heat faster through windows, doors, attics, walls, and air leaks. Your furnace can only produce heat at a set rate. So if heat loss is more than heat production, indoor temps can fall even while the furnace runs non-stop. Here are the reasons why furnaces struggle in cold weather. Drafts and poor installation from walls, windows, and doors. Less airflow? Try checking your air filter. Leaky or uninsulated ducts in attics or crawl spaces. Snow, ice, or debris blocking intake and exhaust pipes. Turning off your thermostat to save money, making the temperature drop harder to recover from during a cold snap. During extreme cold, change your air filter, keep vents and returns open, avoid big thermostat swings, and safely clear snow from furnace vent pipes if you have a high-efficiency system. If your furnace won't stay on, keep short cycling, or the house temperature keeps dropping, call Golden Rule or click the link in the description right away.